Do you find difficulty in cleaning your brushes? Yes? Here I have a solution for it. By the end of this video, you will be able to achieve more clean brushes.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.
Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will share some tips and tricks on how to clean brushes. And please like and comment to this video. And also please press the bell icon before subscribing so that you get notifications of my videos.
So to remove dried acrylic paint, we need nail paint remover. Why nail paint remover? Because it contains acetone, which helps to remove paints. I am using only few drops here, and also please immediately close the bottle of the acetone, the nail paint remover. Now let's take this dried brush. See, this is so hard and stiff. Put the brush into the bowl to make it less hard. Just mix the brush into acetone and see the changes. The color of acetone is changing. After that, clean it with tissue or cloth. I got an amazing results. The brush became more softer and smoother. Next come the oil paints. This is my own experiment, like I haven't tried before. I'm using the same acetone but the oil paint brush. And yes, see, this color of acetone is changing and it works. This method I love to do. First, I am taking clean water and liquid soap. You can use any liquid soap here. Just put few drops and mix it. See, bubbles have came out. This shows mixture is ready. You can also check by putting hands inside and rubbing it. You will feel like soapy. And rest you know, same procedure as before. Put brush inside the mixture and mix it well. Later clean it with cloth or tissue.
A few moments later.
And please make sure you have liked and subscribed to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. This method is super easy to do at home, and I love this method, and actually it works well. You must try. If anyone having another ideas, comment down below, and also the inquiries.
A few moments later.
See, now these paint brushes are ready to use. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. Thank you. Bye guys. See you in the next video.